Hey guys! In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stabilize shaky footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First of all, import your footage on the timeline. As you can see here, I have footage with a lot of camera shake on my timeline, and I want to apply stabilization to it. Go to the Effects. In Effects panel, search for Warp Stabilizer. It will be under the Video Effects, then in Distort folder. Drag and drop the Warp Stabilizer to your footage on timeline. Once dropped, Premiere Pro will start analyzing footage automatically. Premiere Pro will take time depending upon length of your video and various other factors. In the description below, you can find a link to Envato Elements, which offers millions of incredible resources to assist you on your video creation journey. Once Premiere Pro stabilizes your footage, if you are not satisfied with the result, you have parameters under Warp Stabilizer to improve it. Under Stabilization, then Result, you can change Smooth Motion to No Motion for creating an effect of stationary angle of the footage, or select Smooth Motion for removing the shakiness of the video. You can adjust the smoothness parameter to modify the amount of stabilization applied to the footage. Alternatively, we can try switching the methods to Position, Scale, Rotation, or Subspace Warp. This is default mode in Premiere Pro. Here software will attempt to warp the frame and pull everything into a single, stabilized image. Position. This is the basis for all stabilization and the most straightforward way that your footage can be stabilized. Position, Scale, and Rotation. Information relating to the frame's position, scale, and rotational information will be used to stabilize the image. If Premiere Pro doesn't have enough information to do this, it will make selections itself. Perspective. This method takes all four corners of the frame and affects and pins them, using this as the method of stabilization. Once you have chosen the parameters that will work for you, Premiere Pro will now analyze your footage, and once it is done, you can check the stabilized footage with your requirements. If you want to download project files or any of the assets used in creating this video, you can find the link in the description below. And that's it. In this tutorial, you've learned how to stabilize shaky footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Kindly share your experience in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next video tutorial.